Hello everybody, how are you all? Eventually today we are in the sea beach named Kuakata Sea Beach that is situated in Patuakhali, Bangladesh. Basically we are here due to different kind of purposes. For example, we are here to assess different kind of environmental impact of bridge construction project. And today we will also visit different tourist spots of this region, and we will also go to Patra Chor. That will be really a great fun. And we are here to do a special event named Beach Cleanup Program. So that will be an effective event for this section. So me as well as one of my junior named Omar Farooq are here to conduct the event named Beach Cleanup Program, Kuakata Sea Beach Cleanup Program.
Plastic pollution is one of the greatest threats to ocean health worldwide. With skyrocketing plastic production, low levels of recycling and poor waste management, between 4 and 12 million metric tons of plastic enter the ocean each year, enough to cover every foot of coastline on the planet. And that amount is expected to more than double in the next 10 years. In the ocean, plastic pollution impacts sea turtles, whales, seabirds, fish, coral reefs, and countless other marine species and habitats. In fact, scientists estimate that more than half of the world's sea turtles and nearly every seabird on Earth have eaten plastic in their lifetimes. Plastic pollution also mars otherwise beautiful beaches, coastlines, and dive sites worldwide, even in remote areas such as Midway Atoll. So what can you do about ocean plastic pollution? First of all, you can reduce your use of single-use plastics. Secondly, you can work on recycling properly. Thirdly, you must support bans. Many municipalities around the world have enacted bans on single-use plastic bags, take-out containers and bottles. You can support the adoption of such policies in your community. Fifth, avoid products containing microbeads. Sixth, spread the words. That means you have to raise awareness by spreading your words regarding plastic pollution. Seventh, support organizations addressing plastic pollution. There are many non-profit organizations working to reduce and eliminate ocean plastic pollution in a variety of different ways.
So we will dump the waste that was collected in our beach cleanup program.